If you want to learn the basics about mountain biking by an everyday expert, then get this step-by-step guide. In this no-fluff, short, and straight-to-the-point step-by-step guide, you will discover the tips and tricks on how to mountain bike the right way. How to mountain bike the right way, mountain biking jumping secrets revealed, bunny hop mountain bike tricks, wheelie mountain biking tips, how to ride the mountain bike on trails, how to ride the mountain bike on rocky terrain, step-by-step mountain biking techniques, gear shifting tricks explained, how to choose the right helmet for mountain biking, how to choose the right clothing for mountain biking, how to choose the right mountain bike for yourself, different types of mountain bikes explained, how to stay in great shape for mountain biking, how to maintain your mountain bike the easy and affordable way. Click Buy Now to get it now.